What can you infer from this picture? You might be thinking, what's up with these seaweeds and mangroves and seagrass? Well, today I'm going to talk about blue carbon. My presentation is divided into 5 parts. First, what is a blue carbon? Second, the benefits of blue carbon. Third, where is the blue carbon stored? Fourth, why is the marine ecosystem becoming destroyed? And fifth, but not least, we will have a quiz. So first, what is a blue carbon? A blue carbon refers to the carbon stored in coastal and marine ecosystem. It is usually stored in mangroves, salt marshes, and seagrass. Later on, I'll talk a bit more about why I said about these mangroves and seagrasses. Second, the benefits of blue carbon. There are some benefits of blue carbons, as you can see here, but today I'll talk about climate regulation, coastal protection, and biodiversity. First, coastal protection. These blue carbons are stored inside mangroves and seagrasses on the layer at the bottom of the sea. So this makes a natural barrier against the storm, waves, and sea erosion. So it protects the coastal infrastructure and communities. Second, for the climate change mitigation, it is highly efficient at absorbing and storing carbon and is crucial for mitigation and climate change. Third is biodiversity. These ecosystems support a healthy coastal and marine ecosystem, making habitats and shelters for various species of sea animals. Now, where is the blue carbon actually stored in? It is usually stored in the marine ecosystem, as I referred before, and it is usually in mangroves, seagrass, meadows, and salt marshes, which is efficient at storing CO2. As you can see in this picture, the CO2 inside the air is absorbed by the seagrasses, and the seagrasses and mangroves store them in their roots and on the seafloor. And after they store the CO2, they they let out O2, which is the air that we breathe in. Now, why is the marine ecosystem becoming destroyed? Even though this might seem a bit off the chart, but it's important for the marine ecosystem to be healthy for the blue carbon to become stored inside the sea. So the marine ecosystem is becoming destroyed because of pollution, climate change, and human activities such as fishing and habitat destruction. These pollutions are usually caused because of chemicals and oil spills, which can see in daily lives a lot. And second, climate change are causing the corals and seagrass to degrade and become white, or might dead. Currently, 87% of the sea is plundered and degraded. This is the end of my presentation, and if you guys don't have any question, I'll move on to the quiz. First, what is blue carbon? Okay, I'll explain one more. Put simply, blue carbon refers to carbon stored in coastal and marine ecosystem, and it is usually stored in mangroves, salt marshes, and seagrasses. Second, what is the benefits of blue carbon? Name three. I said three things. None? I'll explain. Well, the benefits of blue carbon is that it provides coastal protection, climate change mitigation, and biodiversity. These are the answers to the quiz. And Benjamin Franklin said that lost time cannot be found again. Before we lose our Earth, before our Earth turns into a red planet like Mars, why don't we start planting seagrasses and trees? Thank you for listening to my presentation.